Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are counting down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Drones have come a long way, from beginner models with basic cameras to advanced quadcopters with 8K aerial photography, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, and long-range FPV. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first camera drone or an experienced pilot needing professional footage, this list has something for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic C0 Drone. The Potensic C0 is a lightweight drone under 249 grams, equipped with a single-axis gimbal 4K camera, GPS positioning, and up to 4-kilometer remote range. It's suitable for both adults and beginners. The Potensic C0 stands out for its compact and lightweight design that doesn't sacrifice performance. The 4K gimbal-stabilized camera produces smooth footage, while GPS helps keep the drone steady and accurate during flight. For beginners, the lighter weight makes handling safer and more predictable. Remote connection is strong, giving you a control range of up to 4 kilometers, which is impressive for its weight class. Flight stability, coupled with its intuitive controls, makes this a great choice for first-time pilots. Pros: lightweight design under 249 grams, 4K camera with single-axis gimbal, GPS stabilization, long remote control range for its class, beginner-friendly. The Potensic C0 is best for beginners or travelers who want lightweight drone performance with good video quality without a heavy or bulky setup. Number 2. LYZRC L600 Pro Max Drone. The L600 Pro Max is a professional drone with a 3-axis PTZ camera capable of 8K video, wide-angle lens, GPS navigation, 5G FPV, and a brushless motor for stable flight performance. This drone delivers high-quality 8K aerial footage with smooth stabilization thanks to the 3-axis PTZ gimbal. The brushless motor enhances flight efficiency and reduces vibration noise, which contributes to clearer footage. The wide-angle lens captures expansive landscapes and makes this drone suitable for both videography and photography. The GPS navigation ensures precise positioning, and the 5G FPV link provides a responsive live view during flight. Pros: professional-grade 8K camera, 3-axis PTZ stabilization, 5G FPV for low-latency control, wide-angle aerial shots, brushless motor for stability. The LYZRC L600 Pro Max is an excellent choice for users seeking professional aerial imaging and steady 8K footage. Number 3. K919 MAX GPS Drone. The K919 MAX features an 8K HD camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS navigation, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a built-in screen controller. The K919 MAX combines high-resolution 8K imaging with advanced flight control safety features. The 3-axis gimbal keeps video stable in most conditions, while the obstacle avoidance sensors help protect the drone from accidental collisions. GPS navigation makes automated flight paths and stable hovering more reliable, especially in windy conditions. The 5G Wi-Fi FPV system delivers a crisp, low-latency first-person view, and the included screen on the controller simplifies flight cameraing and flight adjustments. Pros: 8K HD camera with 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance, GPS flight support, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, built-in screen controller. The K919 MAX is a strong choice for enthusiasts who want 8K imaging plus smart safety and navigation features in one package. Number 4. A1R3S GPS Drone. The original A1R3S drone features 8K video support, laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, GPS, and a foldable design for portability. It also includes FPV support for real-time flight views. The A1R3S impresses with its laser obstacle avoidance system, which enhances safety by detecting objects in flight paths and preventing collisions. The 8K camera captures crisp aerial footage, and brushless motors contribute to stable, smooth flight performance. The The foldable design makes this drone easy to carry and deploy on the go. GPS support ensures stable hover and return-to-home safety features, while the lightweight design improves portability. Pros: laser obstacle avoidance, 8K aerial footage, brushless motors for stability, foldable and travel-friendly. The A1R3S is a balanced choice for pilots who want high resolution, safety features, and portability in one package. Number 5. V168 Max Drone. The 2025 new V168 Max includes an 8K camera, 5G GPS support, dual camera system, brushless motor, foldable design, and a large screen remote controller with up to 5 kilometers of control range. The V168 Max stands out with its dual camera setup, offering flexibility between wide shots and detailed close-ups. The 8K primary camera delivers crisp aerial footage, and GPS and 5G support ensures stable flights and responsive FPV control. The brushless motor ensures smooth and efficient flight, and the foldable design makes it easy to bring anywhere. The large screen controller enhances the FPV experience, allowing precise framing and adjustments in real time. Pros: dual camera system with 8K main camera, long remote range up to 5 kilometers, GPS and 5G support, brushless motor, foldable design. The V168 Max is an excellent choice for users who want versatile camera options, long-range control, and a travel-friendly build. That brings us to the end of our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-fly 4K model or a professional content creator needing professional 8K aerial footage, this list has options for every level. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech guides. Leave a comment telling us which drone you'd choose and why. Thanks for watching.